Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one that was sent by James from Lakeside, California. Thanks, man. This is Miliket with their shrimp flavor noodle. This one has a little problem. Friends, it's not such a bad problem, but it's a problem. This is going to get steeped, so we're going to drop that in. Where we got a powder-based sachet. That's going to get the little snippy snip at the top, and that gets dumped in. But herein lies the problem. I'll show you. See that? That was stuck in the packaging. Like they sealed it, and that was in there. And now the chili powder is in there, so I'm doing that. There we go. But it steeps for 3 minutes, so we'll see how this all pans out. It's July 11th. Happy 7-Eleven day. It's the day they do the free Slurpees. Don't get all your hopes up, America. The 7-Eleven Slurpees they give you are like Dixie cups of it. It's ridiculous. But it was also supposed to be Trump's sentencing day, and I was really excited about that. But no! I think everybody is really just kind of disappointed in the whole Trump deal. But yeah, 7-Eleven day. We went for our anniversary. We went to go see a 40th anniversary, like, kind of re-release of, what do you call it? Close Encounters of the Third Kind. Awesome movie. Anyways, we go there. We went to the wrong theater. I'm glad we didn't get a drink, even though the drink was stupidly overpriced. So they wanted $7.50 for a small fountain drink. I'm thinking, like, how can they charge this much and expect for people to pay that? And I figured it out. I looked to see, so say I've got a movie. I need it to get played in the theater. How much does the theater get? Because they always talked about box office, blah, 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 this many million or whatever. There's an amount that the theater gets, a cut, and then there's a cut the studio gets that makes the movie. And the studio in the beginning makes more money off of it. Later down the road, when the movie really isn't going to be making much more, it's about to get phased out by all the theaters, that's when the theater gets more money. So it's kind of like, but I think the way it's done is to make it so it's more of an incentive to keep the movie in a little bit longer, so they'll get more money out of it. So I don't know. I've been seeing more movies lately. I really haven't been a person who's gone and seen a whole heck of a lot of movies. That a lot of that has to do with my buddy Matt. He likes going and seeing movies in the theater. I do now too. It's so expensive though. For us to see a movie that came out in 1977 on a decent sized screen was $20 each. It was good though. I really liked it. It was fun. It was nice. So, and she liked that movie too. That's a plus. So here's what we got. Here is our, it doesn't seem too incredibly wonderful. If you have noodles and you want to send them to me and are worried whether they'll like them or not, don't. What I like is stuff I have not reviewed. I am just as happy to get a 5-star as a 0-star also. 5 stars, I like noodles.
you know. So let's give these a try. Wow. Spongy. Here's our broth. Looks like it would be bland, doesn't it? Holy mother. The chili aspect is nice. But I'll tell you, that may be one of the absolute saltiest instant noodles I've ever had. Here, I gotta fix this. One moment. Don't barf. Here we go. There, no barfing. Good. Yeah, that's like way too salty than it needs to be. And there's like a lot of noodle, but it's just kind of spongy. I'm really hungry. All I've had today is like energy drink and yeah. Not gonna go too far on this one, I don't think. Crushed shredded pepper. Scallion. Sesame seed. No. There you are. Not incredibly enthused with this one. I'll be honest, but it's one I hadn't reviewed, and I thought I had, but nope. Alright, thanks for watching. The next one we've got is a Japanese variety, and I'm pretty sure this came out of a Zen Pop box from a while back, but I was pretty sure that I hadn't reviewed it, but I have. Zen Pop no longer does ramen boxes. I know, right? Myojo Charomera Miyazaki Spicy Noodle. We'll have you on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.